You won't believe this story. How this cement trailer driver made 10 crippled beggars walk at once. But here is how it all began. It was just another blazing hot afternoon on the Lokoja expressway. That stretch of road where dust hangs in the air like bad decision and beggars line up like toll gates. 10 familiar faces sat by the roadside, or rather, lay, crawl, or rolled. These weren't your average beggars. These were the crippled Borex boys. The crippled Borex boys, kings of sympathy, masters of emotional marketing. Some lay on old planks with wheels, using their palms to roll like human skateboards. Others drag their bodies on flattened buttocks, groaning dramatically. Bros abeg, anything for the boys wey leg no straight. Help a cripple, your mama go live long. You no go ever get person like us. Even 20 naira fit change my life. Oga cement driver move body for us. They knew their market, especially cement trailer drivers. Drivers of those towering monsters are Father Christmas. They were known for flinging 200 naira notes from their trailer windows like confetti at a wedding. But on this fateful day, a loud sound erupted. Pra! The kind of sound that startled the birds in their nestle, made them fly away from the bush. It was a loaded cement trailer, swaying side to side like a drunk uncle at a wedding. From the driver's cabin came a voice, trembling and panicking. Run, oh, run, my brake don't fail. No brake, no brake, run, run. Horn blaring, pra. Trailer shaking, cement bags bouncing like possessed pillows. The beggars looked up, and what happened next broke the Guinness World Book of Records. Suddenly, all 10 crippled beggars stood up. Yes, they stood upright. Feet, ankles, knees, full combo. Legs that were supposedly missing since 2009 grew out like plantain in rainy season. One even removed his fake cast and used it to slap another for pushing him in the brush. They ran, not hobbled, not limped, ran like Usain Bolt on a scholarship. Some jumped gutters, one climbed a moving keke, another did a backflip that even gymnastic coaches will envy. The trailer is somehow screeched and stopped, inches from their begging zone. Miracle, confusion, laughter, street-wide disbelief. Spectators scream na wow, this my guy not just dey walk, he just get leg, he fly. So your leg dey work since, you don come scam me 500 naira. Jesus, highway don turn healing crusade. The coconut seller removed his shirt and moved it. He waved it in the air like he was in a revival. Power dey this express oh, he said. From that day forward, the miraculous healed beggars were never seen again. They ran away in shame. Their borders bulged, abandoned. Their crushes scattered like expired props. Their reputation finished. And that is why to date, if you are a popular traveler, you might have seen this signpost, Miracle Junction. The zone was nicknamed after the incident, and no beggar was allowed to stay there after the incident. The moral of the story, not every beggar you see is truly begging. Some are acting professors. If you like this story, like it and share. Thank you.